In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have Microsoft Word read your text aloud. When you've been staring at a script, essay, or report for hours, your brain automatically fixes typos on the page, causing you to gloss right over missing words and awkward sentences. The absolute best way to proofread your work is to hear it spoken out loud. I'll show you how to activate this built-in text-to-speech engine and customize your playback. To get started, obviously, you just open up your document. And then click your cursor exactly where you want the narration to begin. Let's just say from the beginning. If you only want a specific paragraph read, you can just highlight that block of text. Now head up to your top menu ribbon. Click review and look for the speech group section. And as you can see, now we have this little button, read aloud. If you want to bypass the menus entirely, just hit the keyboard shortcut, which is Control, Alt, and Spacebar instantly. An interface playbook doc will pop up in the top right corner of your document canvas page, and a high-quality neural voice will begin reading your text live, line by line, highlighting each word in real time. Hopefully, that's not too loud. The control doc gives you a full command over the narration flow. You can use the standard play, pause, skip forward, and skip backward buttons to jump through sentences. To adjust how the voice works, click the gear icon inside the floating control panel to open the text-to-speech settings. And all there you will find a reading speed slider. You can drag it left or right to speed up or slow down the narration layout to fit your editing pace. I'm not enabling that because I have to press the read aloud and I don't want you guys to hear it. But you will have to right over here where you can add all of those settings. And then once you're done, you can just click on X to close out of the speech engine. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.